Stepping out of your comfort zone. We all have our comfort zones, those familiar places and routines that we rely on to make us feel safe and secure. But as much as our comfort zones can provide a sense of stability, they can also hold us back from reaching our full potential. Stepping out of your comfort zone can be uncomfortable and even scary, but it's essential for personal growth and development. Here are some reasons why stepping out of your comfort zone is important for personal growth. It helps you overcome fear and builds confidence. When you step out of your comfort zone, you're forced to confront your fears and insecurities. Whether it's public speaking, taking on a new challenge at work, or trying a new hobby, facing your fears head-on can help you build confidence and self-esteem. It expands your knowledge and skills. Trying new things and taking on new challenges exposes you to different experiences and perspectives. This can help you develop new skills and knowledge that you may not have gained otherwise. Even if you don't succeed at something, you'll have learned something new in the process. It promotes personal growth and development. Stepping out of your comfort zone requires you to adapt and grow. When you're faced with new challenges and experiences, you have to learn how to think and act differently. This can lead to personal growth and development, helping you become a better version of yourself. So how can you start stepping out of your comfort zone? Here are some tips. Start small. Stepping out of your comfort zone doesn't have to be a massive, life-changing event. Start small by trying something new every day. This could be as simple as trying a new food or taking a different route to work. Challenge yourself. Set small challenges for yourself that push you out of your comfort zone. For example, if you're afraid of public speaking, start by speaking up in meetings or presenting to a small group of people. Embrace failure. Stepping out of your comfort zone inevitably involves some level of failure. But don't let that discourage you. Embrace failure as an opportunity to learn and grow. In conclusion, stepping out of your comfort zone is an essential part of personal growth and development. It may be uncomfortable and even scary at times, but the benefits are well worth it. By challenging yourself and trying new things, you can build confidence, expand your knowledge and skills, and become a better version of yourself. Thanks for watching. Like, follow and subscribe, share with a friend.